Hello friends, welcome to GMG Accountancy classes. Today we are going to discuss class 12 lesson 3 interest on loan from partners page number 105. So what entry we have to pass for interest on loan from partners? For providing interest on partners loan, we have to pass this entry interest on partners loan account data to partners loan account. Note, interest on partners loan being an expense to the firm is debited in the firm's book. Interest on loan is due to the partners and it is generally added to the loan amount due and hence partners loan account is credited. Understand? Now for closing interest on partners loan account, we have to pass this entry profit and loss account data to interest on partners loan account. Interest on partners loan is a charge against profit. That is, whether there is profit or loss of the firm, this interest is to be provided. Hence, interest on partners loan is transferred to profit and loss account. Now, division of profits among partners. How they are dividing the profits. The net profit as per the profit and loss account of a firm is subject to the adjustment of interest on capital, interest on drawing, etc. These adjustments are made by preparing a profit and loss appropriation account. So we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account to know the profit. The resultant profit of the firm being the balance in the profit and loss appropriation account is to be divided among the partners according to the profit sharing ratio. In the absence of profit sharing ratio, profit is divided among the partners equally. If there is no profit sharing ratio or absence of profit sharing ratio, then it will be divided among the partners equally. The following is the general entry should be passed. That is profit and loss appropriation account data to partners capital account if it is profit. If it is loss, if there is loss, the entry will be reverse. Means capital to profit and loss appropriation account. Understand? So profit means profit and loss appropriation account data to partners capital or current account. If it is a loss, means entry will be reversed. Then move on. Profit and loss appropriation account. What is profit and loss appropriation account? This is fifth very short answer in your textbook. The profit and loss appropriation account is an extension of profit and loss account prepared for the purpose of adjusting the transaction relating to amount due to and amount due from the partners. It is a nominal account in nature. So if you write one line this carry 1 mark. It is a nominal account in nature. It is credited with the net profit, interest on drawings, and it is debited with the interest on capital, salary and other remuneration to the partners. The balance sheet, the balance being the profit or loss is transferred to the partners capital or current account in the profit sharing ratio. Now if you want to write this answer, you can easily write by reading this format perfectly. This is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Yeah, in debit side this item will come and credit side this item will become. So if you write these 2 points simply, profit and loss appropriation account is a nominal account in nature. Next point, you can write in debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, interest on partners capital account, partners salary account, partners commission account, and if there is a profit we have to write in the debit side. And in credit side what all the items will come? By profit and loss account means profit of the business, and interest on partners drawings means interest on drawings will come in the credit side. If you write this, your format also you can remember, as well as you can write the answer and you will get 2 marks very easily for the theory part. So amount of profit transferred from profit and loss account. Now see the illustration 21. Very easy sum, easy to score 5 marks. in this sum. How to pass this entry? First, we have to read the question properly, thoroughly. Arulappan and Nallaswamy are partners in a firm, sharing profit and losses ratio 4:1. On 1st January 2018, the capital were 20,000 and 10,000 respectively. The partnership deed specify the following. Interest on capital is 5% per annum. So on this 20,000, 5% is 1,000. In this 10,000, 5% is 500. So 1,500 is total interest on capital for this both. Interest on drawing is given 200 and 300, so no need to calculate. Net profit is also given 18,000, so only you have to substitute the amount. What we have to prepare here? Give necessary journal entries and prepare profit and loss appropriation account for 31st December 2018. Assume the capital are fluctuating. So only one account you have to prepare, that is profit and loss appropriation account. And before that we have to write the journal entry. So what I am suggesting, you leave one page for this journal entries, and in the next page you write this format, or else take a double new page. Left hand side you write first 3 entry, right side you write first 2 entries. Total 5 entries are there for this sum. Below last 10 lines only you prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So write the heading, take a double new page and write the heading profit and loss appropriation account from last to 10th line. Write the heading and write it particulars rupees, particulars rupees both the side. Then see the question. What is the first one? The first line is interest on capital 5% per annum. So in profit loss account, capital we should not write. Already we seen the format, interest on capital. Where we have to write interest on capital? See here in the debit side. And next one is what? Interest on drawing, that we have to write in the interest on drawing credit side. Then what is the net profit? 18,000. This profit we have to write here by profit loss account 18,000. Understand? Now see the sum. See the appropriation account, page number 107. To interest on capital, Arulappan 1,000 rupees. How this 1,000 rupees? See the question. 20,000 into 500 is 1,000 rupees. Then 10,000 into 5%, 500 is 500 rupees for Nallaswamy. Then profit and loss is the last adjustment, C adjustment 18,000. And interest on drawing given 200 and 300 rupees in the second adjustment. Add all this, you will get 18,500. This 18,500 write in the last line of your ledger. The same line write it 18,500. Then you write it here, the partners capital account profit, Arulappan and Nallaswamy. This 18,500 minus 1,500 will get 17,000. 17,000 into 4 by 5, 17,000 into 1 by 5. So 17,000 into 4 by 5, you will get 13,600. 17,000 into 1 by 5, you will get 3,400. This 4:1 ratio is given in the first line, right hand side corner, see it, 4:1 given in the question first line. So that only we are calculating. Now how to write the journal entry? Very easy to write or pass the journal entry. See here, profit and loss appropriation account. So profit and loss appropriation account data to Arulappan capital account to Nallaswamy capital account 1,500. So total 1,500. Understand? See the first entry. Interest on capital account data 1,500 to Arulappan 1,000 to Nalaswamy capital account 500. So add both this, you will get 1500. Next entry, the same entry we have to write here, same amount we have to write here. Profit and loss appropriation account data to interest on capital 1500, because we have to close this entry. Then see here, interest on drawing, Arulappan capital account data, Nalaswamy capital account data to interest on drawings, that is 200 plus 300, 500 is interest on drawings. Then we have to close this interest on drawing, so we have to write the entry interest on drawings account data to profit and loss appropriation account. At last we have to write this last entry, profit and loss account data to Arulappan capital account to Nalaswamy capital account. 13,600, 3,400 we have to write here. Add this, you will get 17,000. So profit and loss appropriation account data to Arulappan capital account to Nalaswamy capital account. So if we prepare in the starting itself this appropriation account, simple to pass the entry. Once again I repeat how to pass the entry. First entry, profit and loss account data to Arulappan capital account, Nalaswamy capital account. Then we have to close the entry, profit and loss appropriation account data to capital account 1500. Then second entry, Arulappan capital account data, Nalaswamy capital account data to interest on drawings account. Then fourth entry, interest on drawings account data to profit and loss appropriation account, this 500 rupees, 300 plus 200, 500 rupees. Last entry, profit and loss account data to Arulappan capital account to Nalaswamy capital account, 13,600 plus 3,400, 17,000 rupees. Understand? Very good, students. Hello friends, welcome to GMG accountancy classes. Today we are going to discuss class 12, third lesson, illustration 22, page number 108. Very important, profit loss appropriation account. How to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Always remember, whenever we are preparing profit and loss appropriation account, only two items will come in the credit side. One is profit, one is interest on drawings. Other all items will come in the debit side. This is the very easiest way to remember this format, and this will come in the 5 marks. In the half-yearly this came in the 5 marks, as well as this may come in the board examination. So understand it, listen it very carefully, very important sum. Durai and Velan entered into a partnership agreement on 1st April 2018. Durai contributing 25,000 and Velan 30,000 as capital. So capital is 25,000 and 30,000. The agreement provided that profit loss to be shared in the ratio of 2:3. So what is the ratio? 2:3. So 2 by 5, 3 by 5. 2 plus 3, 5. See the last line of this question. It is clearly mentioned, prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. In this sum, they didn't ask you to pass the journal entry. They asked to prepare only profit and loss appropriation account. So very easy sum. So see here, first one, partners to be entitled to interest on capital 5%. So only two items will come here, interest on drawing and profit. What is this? Interest on capital is 5%. So 25,000 into 5% is 1,250. Then 30,000 into 5%, 1,500. Next, interest on drawings. So interest on drawing 300 and 450. So interest on drawing account Durai 300, Velan 450. Then Durai to receive salary. So only this two items will come in the credit side. Other all items will have to write in debit side. So salary rupees 5,000 we have to write in the debit side. Salary of Durai. Then Velan to receive commission 2,000. We have to write to commission Velan account rupees 2,000. Understand? Now during the year, the firm made a profit of rupees 20,000. So where we have to write the profit? Very good students. We have to write profit in the credit side. So profit and interest on drawing only we have to write in the credit side. Other all item we have to write in the debit side. Understand? Now very easy. We have to add all the credit side. Always credit side total will be more. Mostly, very rare case debit side total will be more. Mostly, always credit side total will be more. So add this, you will get 20,750. Okay. Here you have to write two partners capital account profit transferred. Durai 20,750 minus this total, you will get 11,000. Means balancing figure is 11,000. So 11,000 into ratio 2 by 5 4,400. For Valen 11,000 into 3 by 5 6,600. From where this 2 by 5 3 by 5 came? See the first adjustment, profit and losses to be shared 2:3. So from this only it has been came. So 4,400 6,600 total 11,000. That's all completed. You got the 5 marks. Very easy sum. Now illustration 23. Very important because it is after charging commission. Before charging commission sum is very easy. This is after. So Richard and Rizwan started business on 1st January 2018. Capital of rupees 3 lakhs and rupees 2 lakhs. Interest on capital 6%. Salary 50,000 and 10% commission on profit after interest on capital, salary to Rizwan. So after charging such commission, profit sharing ratio is 3:2. So 3 plus 2, 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Profit we have to write in the credit side, 3 lakhs. Now see the first one. Interest on capital, where we have to write? We have to write interest on capital in the debit side. What we have to prepare? Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Your account closed on 31st December. So interest on capital we have to write in debit side. 3 lakhs into 6 by 100, 2 lakhs into 6 by 100. Now see the profit and loss appropriation account. 3 lakhs into 6 by 100, 18,000. Then 2 lakhs into 6 by 100, 12,000. 18,000 plus 12,000, 30,000. Then see the next adjustment, salary given. So to salary to Rizwan 50,000. Next line given, commission. So how to calculate this commission, that I will say you just now. See the next. See the line this year. During the year 3 lakhs given profit. So this profit we have to write here by profit loss account 3 lakhs. Now see here, from this 3 lakhs we have to minus interest on capital and salary. So when we minus, see here it has been clearly shown over here, 3 lakhs minus this 50,000 and this 30,000. So this 30,000 plus 50,000 means this 3 lakhs minus this interest on capital 30,000 and salary 50,000. So 3 lakhs minus 80,000. 3 lakhs minus 80,000, 2 lakh 20,000. On this 2 lakh 20,000, 10% net profit commission. So 10 by 110. So it is commission after interest on, after charging some commission. This is not net profit before commission. This is printing mistake. This is after commission. Okay. So after commission means 10 by 110. So 2,20,000 into 10 by 110 is 20,000 rupees. So this 20,000 rupees we are writing to commission. From this 3 lakhs minus this 1 lakh, you will get 2 lakhs. This 2 lakhs divided into ratio 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 lakh 20,000, 80,000. Now understand? Very good students. Thanks for watching this video.